That's how it's been the last 4 sets. Just trading. Adamson and NU, and set number 5 just coming up. But let's look at the highlights of set number 4.
The set number 4, definitely a very interesting set for both of these teams. You know, Adamson basically was behind for the entire set, and NU had a very, very comfortable lead. But towards the latter part, Adamson slowly inched closer. We actually thought that they could end up tying up that this set.
Well, they gave NU a pretty good scare.
Yes.
Because NU at one point just sort of relaxed. They thought they were on autopilot, and all of a sudden, here comes Adamson. Take a look at the numbers of set 4.
The Lady Bulldogs clearly very high up against the attacking department. Still, they dominated in the blocking area, and although the Lady Falcons had more service aces there, the unforced errors, they managed to trim it down this time, but the Lady Falcon could not control it in this set. You know, in the previous set, I think they just had 4 or 5.
4 or 5, yeah.
But this time around, it was really a string of errors.
9-inch, yung first part yata ng set 4, sunod-sunod na kapuntos yung NU, ano?
You know, the way that Adamson played here in set number 4 was basically like as if they just, you know, started game. Everybody came off the bench.
So, a sudden death, set 5.
So remember, this is only a race to 15. So both teams, of course, cannot afford to play how they did before. You know, it cannot rely heavily.
Definitely, Adamson can't afford to be Adamson of set 4, for sure.
That's for sure.
While for NU, they can't play relaxed the way they did in the sets they lost. If they want to come out the winner here and gift wrap a win para sa kanilang coach who's celebrating his birthday today, Francis Vicente.
Right, so it's not a stress-free birthday for Coach Francis Vicente today.
Well, what a way to open up opening day of the volleyball tournament of season 75.
Definitely giving everybody's worth, you know, for watching today.
5 set agad on the first match. So, 5th set, here we go.
Good serve, good reception. Pao Soriano. We go to Pablo. Pablo, point for the Lady Bulldogs.
Pineda wasn't prepared to pick that one up, and it wasn't even a strong hit for Pablo.
It wasn't. She was just actually a step short to be able to pick that up. Let's take a look at that again. Just 1 step short. Good serve.
Soriano, underhand set. Pineda.
Pineda.
Oh, nice cut shot. Beautiful.
Excellent cut shot from Pineda.
Binawi niya yung error niya on the reception on the other end.
Well, she didn't basically have much of a choice on where to bring that one.
But what an angle.
Yes,
she was facing one way, she hit the ball the other way. What a talent. Serving now is Pineda. 1-all, set 5.
Good service. And they will bring that to Dindin Santiago.
Low.
Look at that attack from Dindin Santiago.
Oh, mababa, pero Santiago, what a talent she is.
And Perez, you know, very obvious she has a trust and confidence in Dindin. That was actually a missed reception already, but they still pushed through with the play. Pablo with the serve.
Not a good reception para sa Adamson.
Santiago, quick attack, just tipping it over.
And this is what NU needs, a good start if they want to close out on Adamson here.
Perez clearly seeing that Dindin Santiago may be the key. But she has not been given much play in the previous sets. Soriano over the block. Urdas
is blocked.
Dindin once again.
Portel will set it up for Villanueva. Joust at the net, won by Villanueva.
She was not faced by the tall blocker in front of her.
Let's go to Bea Fabregas as we see this error from Makatuno. Here a report from Adamson.
Eric
Eric and Ivy, as Coach Sherwin said, magpapagod tayo dahil gusto nating manalo. Right now, consistency is what they want present in this fifth set. And of course, good service and receiving is key. The Lady Falcons opened the set with a prayer and the reminder that all they need to do is play their game and not hesitate. Eric and Ivy.
Thanks, Bea. Indeed, it's true. All they need to do is play their game, and that's what they lost in
Yes.
set 4.
That's right.
They didn't play their game. In fact, they weren't there at all.
That was miscommunication from the play. Linden Santiago and Perez. Linden who sent it outside. Take a look at this one. Offside, the set was a bit too high. And you see that Linden gusto niyo mabababa eh.
So here's another, here are the unforced errors again coming into play para sa NU, giving opportunities para sa Adamson, pero Adamson giving it right back with a service error coming from Paolo Soriano.
NU with a 2-point lead. So no room for errors for both teams. The fifth set is only a race to 15. Santiago with the serve. This one's good. Oh,
Free ball.
A combination. Ordaz.
That's on the line.
Point again for the Lady Bulldogs. And Coach Vicente clearly happy with that last play.
(6-3). Adamson calls a timeout. Pakinggan natin si Coach Meneses.
Sa open yun, take 4 muna. Receive. Palo. Tatlo lang yan. Patayin nyo na. Si Dindin nasa likod,
Tara!
Pasensya lang. Tingin kasi kayo.
Gawin niyo ako.
Tara.
So 6-3, tama si Coach Meneses, malapit lang to, kaya pa lang habulin to. 2-all in sets. Fifth set na po tayo as we check in with Kat Salaw.
In the third set, Coach Francis questioned kung nawawala na ba ang magic ni Dindin Santiago. And so in this last set, Dindin is determined to show Coach and everyone that her magic is still there. Coach is happy about that last win, but for him, the aggressive attitude on the court, kulang pa rin, saying there is no winning this set unless all out tayo sa pawis. Eric?
Thank you. Cats, tama. I mean, pinagdidinan ni Coach Vicente, you really got to work hard.
Yes. That's right.
You can't just win by winging it or by relaxing. We're not going to get it that way.
You really have to work for it. Just like the Lady Falcons did over at that last play, persistence was the key.
4 serving 6. That's sophomore Amanda Villanueva.
Good service. Ordaz, another strong hit. Really does it very well.
You could tell from the takeoff. That's what's going to be a point.
Excellent hit from Ordaz. And definitely this girl will be somebody to watch out for the Lady Bulldogs.
For sure. Lethal serve as well.
Pineda.
Easy pickup para kay Santiago, and another point, this time from Pablo. And Coach Vicente is feeling it along the sidelines.
Definitely now. Well, this is not really a comfortable lead for the Lady Bulldogs, but then again, they are performing better.